Who says say I no ka say nyash. Okudzeto wo ho. Efidie bi ankrofo bi asum no. Me techre na me monitor. Okudzeto Ablakwa. Minister of Foreign Affairs was a Minister for Foreign Affairs. Any Sam George. Efidie pa o mo asum tambrante mienu we no. Me techre na me monitor efidie no. You have no idea. And mummy no so monya careful. Emo bia tribu nya ne de. Ema kokoti se mummam. Me teche monitor afidie no. Enhwan me mpene. Ensi. Ba mo asoso Okudzeto ene Sam George mo hwe mo ho yi. Me teche me hwe afidie no. Na wonim interpolitics warfare and you who to say intra-politics warfare. Sir, we MPP in a year kumu MPP. Who chance say NDC for both so. Within me touch it. The same thing, the same efidie no musumi yama ama kofi boa. Ba mi nia ba no wehu akire. My girlfriend no wehu akire. Say ye fidie bi ne yesum ne ye use no. Say fidie no hwan against amakofi boa. Ana kofi amaboa. Sada ni party o. Etimi to asese ye o. Opa ba me nkoye bibi. Of which me bought trade and Ponyam Empire. Agini a Jim Empire Bunti. Say Rade Krame. Yadebekwa kwa Mahama Concesia. It's Bekwa Kosraji, Mekwa Kobusaji, me free. No matter what I say to you. I know that Chenya, Okudzeto, shall see. I am also watching the trap. I am watching the trap. So we have BB and Fakwemwa. Me, Mecca. Sam George, we have BB and Fakwemwa, Mecca. But that trap, a becow. I am watching the trap. Amabwa, just relax. If you didn't, ain't Eminim de abeka and I me do overpower we are me no wie. Me no ni asem. Am de aka ye madwuma. Na no anno. Je bi asere. Me do overpower we are me no wie o. Salam life tie. De wo pere me boa no wunya wie a me no wie. Me hwe so be de etene. Jebi, no kwasam nyame say system that started slow down. And ministers ne MMDCs ne chief executives no mama money now system that started slow down. Me meka no kura ne ntama kire wo party wo pajai. And you wasamo system no from 9th January, hey, Adiana started a slow down 40%. I can't stay. Your Excellency, system no a slow down. But I mean, no what? And she shall make our air. Yes, I know I should talk room. We just 1 year, but 31st December, Baba says, "Yanamwa and check. Ye who should die." Nyame so on 31st December on ma. Yes, on 31st December 2025. He is not coming. Mama sophobia and adao. Say yes, on 31st December 20. Oh ma hui. Ministers nene MMDC is the chief executives no. It looks as if I said they were not prepared. Me makao. Upa no watame. upa na wadome me mfa ho me fa GHANA ewie your excellency your ministers me can some me kabom your MMDCs and your chief executives as a how them me use some yes some majority of them were not prepared. Majority of the ministries, departments and agencies, your excellency, system not slow down. You see, I saw your meetings, some politicians, doesn't mean anything to me, Kojo Smart. Because and to no sa also wo yan to papa bi ani wo ye japa and na bi ani wo ye na pa o ye to no janema maybe ye NDC you know and I keep telling you me I'm not NDC. Me ana me tu me kwa bo me ho adwa yamade Gabby sere. So when you ma me catch me kwa Asante region. Me kwa Bronga Hafo. Me kwa Western region. So when you ma me catch me betwa mu kwa Volta region. Me bu amane. Me say fi ho twam be se kwa Eastern region. Me we your mampani na wote akonwa so a me pese me boa wo. John. Wo party for na wo form ho no. The way o ma dwala no. Ebi o ya na maka cho say nyo bia na betime nya position. Ase ememasam ne akokoti sam no yemfa nya manyo. Wundi afi as minister, wundi afi as DC, wundi afi as MC, afimpo wundi as chief executive. You want to be a lord over the people. Really? Your Excellency, when you're in the affinity, but some of your MMDCs, even majority of them, some of your ministers, majority of them, some of your heads of agencies and departments, majority of them. History now person will make it by the close of 2028 before you hand it over to another person. Or whether the country will push you to go for another term, why you careful? These are the guys. Me, I went to 5 regions. Makato said me, I don't believe in the 16 regions. I believe in the 10 traditional regions. And one day, we met Thomas here. I didn't think Ashanti region, Yanjim. We met Ashanti region. Pacho, Greater Accra, I didn't think Yanjim. What about my brother? Eastern region. I didn't think Yanjim. What about my brother? Pacho Central region, Yachim. We are Bema Ko. Ashanti region, Central region, Eastern region, Greater Accra region, Yanchim. What Bema, ya Brahana Bechiches are regions in him. Over to pocket. Yeah, Western region, baby, Seshi, JB Chrome Fono. Seshi, Jaboso, then the one I say, oh, I tell Kai, Yati, your friend of Western North, Yadi. Your friend of Western North. Regional Minister, cry behind the mano. Yeah, but I came there. Debbie, and I do not make one. That many branch back with friend Tony. Any fire service lady back with friend Yafra. before before agri yes before agri ena car ba ko ye du biwa police barrier hono bus no you overtaking am say hey akwe dey na oye na me ko nchen boko e ma no ena me catch up say oh we ne ma me madoso owu abi beka munja no nko eti ye movie ye no speed a bus na sand by no jebi and also yeah another overtaking and I'm a train me home ban chamber third one I'm saying taxi be a unity or bob bank kakra me who say ko ya tia fa ho it be share the oil and I'm say no tanker be womanim na me con chairman no nya a lot of space eti I'm say a taxi driver no so and on one bus driver no so a no so no dey nyam taxi no when you say see them copy so manim gani me ni Tony na me nam okay cause up pine na tanker driver no manim ni yade pa because I on frame me but me na mama no na man dey ya na ya obeje minim se wa frame po dia Jabi tanker driver na slow down am so person head the air so but I no who say bus the mirike ba no say the driver na see air ba no otia so and the bus driver dey ko shit tanker no to atem ba na me train chain boko taxi driver no ofika o to see na etu sakom no abofom pa na ase mojahye bibi sa ase hweye na ye do mo ko hospital bas no se okọ asankrigwa na ya be yi ma nkwada mema egukwan ho ye yi won egukwan ho taxi driver no ko ye de ne ko internet me ka se me ko akosra do me ko akọhwe na me de bayi because now one aka egukwan ho and nkwada nkete you know I mean ko wase not oh and you see akokoko samna hyase antem do me meka kire wo pata me me fa wo and them one ye careful I'm telling you today these same guys you have appointed they will disappoint you big time because I sit here and I see power struggle within the corridors as a way person or have to wait away as a way person obu we faso as a way person sum we afidie with him a deputy said managing director of Temahabo. I called you yesterday. You said you will call back. Me from you opa fra opa jai obi pa o kan chere no me I don't care. I was only calling to let you know say minimum but yeah, the way I must start here near man system net slow down 40%. Maybe you don't know brofo yemfa mumai because India Prime Minister ba hai brofo kan kra na parliamentarians no monte oba chance o mo ye okare brofo na papa na kan na mu na ho nti ye enti we za oba say ye okare India papa no okare India Prime Minister asame no kan parliament mo te dey na mo to ye yeah, bear. What then I tell you, Madam MP. Mr. MP, then I tell you. Brofno kanu ebunda ho. Enye brofno ye debu mayon. You can write the most beautiful English. Speak the best of its kind. But let me tell you, nyansa ni brofum. Nyansa. Any brofum. Enti munya careful. Me catch me. Enra. Me ni nana kwa me ye drive ba. Na ye kofa Fiat Agor the first fabulous war ye. And I must say na Fiat Agor and I mark him on lose election. Na me nimu da. Fiat Agor the first fabulous war. Debi what have video no? Otu ne wig. Ato wig na twene ye wo studio ha. Otu ne wig. And that was meant too much. Otu ne wig. Video ni mu na me hu se na Fiat Agor and a market Hammond elusu election. I didn't know. Eh? Me catch them. Mo crowd them mutie, mo ministers no esua. Mahama me ni JB ya na bone tri so say, wo ka say obeme 60, what for 56, aka 4. For 4 deputy ministers ne so me boa. Answer. Or the 4 neighbor. Me who say or the 4 na be so man na so 60. But the point is that Abraham, majority of the ministers, majority of the MMDCs and the chief executives, man ye careful party for na nka say to abana mamon me vote ye one pe de me ye na echi no one me to Mahama. I voted for John Dramani Mahama. Na me twa video be chewa nye nka me twa me di see the picture no so na me sande see wo mo party no emblem no so ka ho me sande ba ko see no mo so ka ho tre man say no me to no sa para na eh man ko vertical o hurry na pine and say e kra wa win it. But mo party for no eh ade a MPP yeah e ma o mani ba mo ho so no na ye di nsu afra obo mogya mu no mo ya ahya sentem some MMDCs no me makwa central makwa western no western north Africa ho it is a opa wo fan 2 regions, western region and western north. Makwa Asante mabesa ko eastern mako BA mabesa ko Volta. So I know what I'm telling you. And me sa ana me bo aban ho ban me ka na wati wanti a nyama sem Akufo Addo me kan ya omo ko opposition na ye frefre me ma wuti abam kura mama an opposition me ma Monya careful sister, let's slow down. Muti na any gold board dollar na stabilize, cedi na stabilize, cedi gaining some strength. Muti na any gold board ena ama oil no when we to oil mba then we say no Ghana the nyansa bone natural resources by through gold. And we share Kofi Amabu salute no. We share Sammy Gyamfi salute no. I'm not saying others in Yejuma. That's not what I'm saying. But I've traveled to 5 regions in 3 weeks. We share Emmanuel Ama Kofi Boa. We share Sammy Gyamfi salute them. And the china don't make a lumba sem make a galamsey as a much na. Areas omu tu galamsey a me call ho. Excavators are yachichi, and in the Yamahodwo, I will let you know. And we share National Security Coordinator Razaka Salutino. The strategy are when they fighting Galam said, once I did, why have a shame koso? And how they are fighting Galam say no, in fact, I love it. So almost saying so I remember the country, I know me in fact. How they are fighting galamsey. Me papa and yami aduma ukuyada. Wombe lanchi cooperative mining wo boase omo lanchi wi a meka no ho asem. And you see, system that started slow down. My catch slow down 40%. Me sana me tu me can tem. Every before was answer jama me town. So man tia say, ma share the same strategy and I say me can tem actually. Your Excellency. Enche me baba ye survey, and I'll tell you who your best ministers are and who your worst ministers are. Enche, I'll tell you who your best ministers are and who your worst ministers are. So far, lands and natural resources are Greek. The rest, I'll come to it. And our party for now started soon ministers nefidi. Okudzeto and Sam George may say we must fidie. But I am watching that trap. You guys are young, I am young, and I will never sit here and watch you fail. No, it will never happen. When those who set that trap, they know I know them and I am watching them. That trap will never go off. Maintain me, I'm sorry, Pentecost. But I did no Bibi mun na ho. Now, producer, get me the video. Ghana for you assume that say. Anyam na me kasa o. Papa na kasa or say abai ma omu $25 million. Number one. Abai sam ma omu 50 million Ghana cedis. Number two. Na sa sikani na ano abai de ba omu wi a enya abai de a. Ewo. Pacho obo video no. Ti Yemem kan you. Okokan was so copy IWC. Ono na gira ho no. Fatum. Bo. Pacho mo nhase. No bi anka se bi ayira. Ena wo ho no PIWC hyphen asokwa Pentecost International Worship Center. PIWC asokwa. How can I call implicate so for no so? Question necessary ebusan say books ni mu ye cleaner no problem. Pacho edwuma na wo ma ye wo ta ho no $25 million. Wo de obetiti sika papa mebo boso. And one analogy na mayama no. Captain Smart ajisika okoto Samsung abra media general. Yaban 35 million. Captain Smart ko buy 35 million no. Or the A15 na buy. We abra 35 million no yadito Z Fold 6. But the atro Samsung receipt 35 million. Money given to Captain Smart 35 million. The books mu ye clean. Or the receipt $35 million Ghana cedi saba. Say Captain Smart ni nipa no koye deal. E was Samsung office ho. No nya receipt ni buy. We don't know. But any books no sika no pe. Nti ye say ka books no ye clean. Number 2. Pacho. Wo se wo kofa bo efi Israel di Abagana foundation stone. Pentecost aso da me na wo krom ha. Demi say chamo poku na ye the foundation stone efi Corinth aso dem na buy. Ephesus he and your foundation stone. Pentecost is the biggest church in this country. And I am proud that I belong to that church. Pentecost is the biggest church in the whole of Africa. One Sunday, any pair kwa sorry them over the whole world. Huh? Pentecost is the whole world. Any pair kwa sorry one Sunday pe kwesi ada baako pe asori bi eni asase so a emudom do so e kwa sorry chen one Sunday any pair ko wura Pentecost asori them across the globe. We are more than 20 million. If you don't know, I'm telling you, it is the biggest church. Asori them ben na work Pentecost ayesia ye ko Israel ko say ye ko fa bo na yasoma asofo atena plane aeroplane akọ Israel say ekofa ebo efi Garden of Eden that he was Israel. Garden of Israel Eden any Israel tokro biam bisa kwa se faka ye ne wo mi na ko Israel. Garden of Eden ye beside Garden of Eden any Israel. It's a hin om kofa abo no bai. Israel hin na Garden of Eden wo ewo Dimona ewo Jerusalem ewo Ephesus ewo Corinth ewo hin Garden of Eden Israel hin na wo ni ya ma asofo atena plane nim asa akoto yesi akofa bo efi Israel yakosisa abo abotan efi Israel e de aba Ghana say de beye foundation stone e pay Ghana for ni yesi books no ye clean omaya yetimu ase abai president John Dramani Mahama kura ontimi fa ni tumi enko president Akufo Addo na do say oh mo di president bosom so etua moka nti mo bosom aka etua no mo fa moye bosia na me fa nkosi school dan John Mahama ontimi nye yet was an sofo bi tikuma say say executive secretary and the position here dan secretary to the board of trustees was say say ono no wetimi de the bottom sika anko parliament wabo Ghana bosia ewo. Then somebody sit down and come and tell me, do Lord and whatever tools, see books, no, you clean. Clean. Young come baby, I see National Cathedral and say, Juma ya hono, but $25 million, and 50 million Ghana cedis, pay. Auntie Ama, Mr. Niyama, penny for Mutimi, Monfanchami, here be before, yeah, Jimmy. Bibi Hayadri, and until I say, sure. Bibi haya Jane, no, Bibi wom, Yare wom. Eti, Bibi I say I have the brofo tro Bibi penny ajedi. What the $35 million Ghana cedis? What the quarter phone aba? Samsung aba say maybe A15 aba. Now A15 $35 million. A15 35,000. What happened to Z Fold 6, Z Fold 5, Z Fold 2, Z Fold 3, Z Fold 4? Now the A15. What the aba? From where GH boy they own. Abaya be free over there. GH boy get me free. Memory. Z Ford was say yeah, why did 35,000 no buy the receipt 35,000 aba enti eno ano no yem fa ne sa now tie me papa opoku ina o ma lawyer be chiro me say ena den papa me mpa church na if you don't know I'm telling you today e Ghana sika ho asem ne ye ka no e je Church of Pentecost sika chairman me mpa church Ghana sika and ye ka ho asem no na o ma meti be ho ase say aban de Ghana sika ne ma board of trustees na sika ne nya aban de biom ye de Ghana sika ma wa sika ne nya aban de biom ha but video no to was na tie no
requested the chairman of the function to throw a bit of light on the cathedral because I've seen that there has been misinformation going around. First of all, I'd like to tell you that when the president appointed the trustees, he told us 4 things, that he will do 4 things for us. 1, he will give us a land. 2, he will appoint the architect. 3, he will establish the secretariat for us. And 4, he will give us a seed money. And he has almost done everything except the seed money that it has not concluded. Initially, he gave us a seed money of 25 million, dollars, and then later 25 million Ghana cedis. The president appointed the trustees. He told us 4 things, that he will do 4 things for us. 1, he will give us a land. 2, he will appoint the architect. 3,
pause it. I say president to catch on so asase. Number 2, asase you juri a judge 4 die. Say ya me no ka say 2, 3 companies Abraham at the Ghana buying Akojina court edge judgment debt. Say baby I see the basic national cathedral no. You juri gu ye ni ntua wonka. I said John Mahama almost $100 million. Or the kotua companies ka. Say ye jiri one day atwegu. Ye jiri one major padie atwegu. When him say judge be resigning here because of National Cathedral. Baby otie ye jiri tugui. Ni ade ne kwatena hotel. Judge atena hotel bosumi nsia afe emfie mienu ni bu afu wa resign when the judge biom. And then we sit in this country, they come and tell us, oh, company, they say, hey, books will move clean. Rubbish, let them come and sit here. Also, I say, no, I say, appointed architect among ha. And I saw from penny for more professors and doctors, Mujitum. Me na me see the fear dying. Okay, go on. One year.
And 4, he will give us a seed money. And he.
Oh, see, about seed money. Hey, seed money. And your Christopher na kofa bae. Sike be any assassin where you seed. You also put money on the altar. It's a lie. Say I told you was one who some akwato offering and say me kwa ka chen Yankopon say ma bedua sika ntia ya ahira me. Enya by force say nyame hira. Fama na afa. That's so nyash. God bless you. It's a live show, anything can happen. Get the seed money. Sow a seed and God will bless you. Until Yankopon to way. Or here's a me amete hey. But you had the sequence of Bob and then Yami. Yes, but I'll still pay my tithe. Because what them you bar for the baby. I don't just me who. Who bar for the and just who. Who chat and just and I'm going to say ma ebeba. Because the most powerful thing on earth, and yet anything, it is the will of man. If I don't touch I know that they will talk about. 80. Or say, President Bemo seed money, no. Or can say, ama nemom or ma won twaso.
And 4, he will give us a seed money. And he has almost done everything except the seed money that it has not concluded. Initially,
pause it. Or say, Sika president promising one say, what the Bama won't know when you see or die no? Ah? Seed money no? And no, Ababa the man ye. Wamombi, I pay road to the other man.
He gave us a seed money of 25 million.
Pause it. He gave us a seed money of $25 million. Till on my one America, Donald Trump choppable dollars, $25 million. Now watch this. Till or say president can so be more masase. It is assassin the president the amawon. Say kasa me di bibi ama nyasha. Nyasha mohoka me di amano. Enti assassin president the amawon. Woman ntua hoka. Number 2, president promise woman say obema omo architect. Enti architect no president the amawon. Enye national cathedral for the tua hoka. Aye, brofo na all kano. Nti mama obi a metra ba bi medada yen say the books are clean.
Na oti na nandonka.
Hey! Ghana for ya muti asem say ni. Roll.
Dollars.
And
then later 25 million Ghana cedis. And I think this is where the parliamentarians have a problem with him. And that one we leave it with them because it is not at our level. But when the seed money was given, it was given to us, to our fund. So once the money was given, it was not the government that was controlling the money again.
Pause. As I'm way back, Pentecost apostles, I am one of my Brofuna ye papa opoku ina kase se mpacho me nam kai. Did I force him to say these things?
The king of morning shows.
Did anybody ask him to say these things? We are serving a living God.
He is smart.
You see, when religious conscientization actually eludes you to believe that everything is God, one day when you fall sick, that is when you come to appreciate that a doctor is a man.
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
Enti Ose Nyam ya abayne ma omo $25 million. Mpacho nyash menam kan. That's it. Ena Osama omo $25 million Ghana cedis. Abraham menam kan. Okay. Owie producer Sanko echire kakra. Ose say once eno na parliamentarians ne ntiase na no nye omo level emfa ne ho enya na asem. Na emo no say abayne di sika ne beto womu fund ni mu wi a sika na nya aban dia eh chamai
enu na ment yes and me do I don't take short and take madness
chamai we anya Pentecost aso dem o me tighter me tua ma Pentecost bi ntimi koje
ikachu you say eh
ana yash me tua ko fan call central asokwa asanwa say na makogo mu atachimai makoda bi su makwa yamforo makoko nyaako mama sin kogo mu atakwa makogo mu ahyem mako abamkrom na makogo mu ogwa ne mankasim sa makwa akoba afode matra dumfa matra Dr. Wayat makwa soro ho makwa Kaneshi Central makwa hia makwa Samankase Central makwa akoba afode makwa Southport metna ho matra mankasim edumade makwa mankasim domatu makwa mankasim Central 1 makwa hia makwa ba afode nti afode na mo ni sika no munyi ba de mama na so for be de hudodo am boy
ikachu you say eh
sometimes you see ebusafo yamma man who hear ye nchen asore na yekono you see there's a difference between onyankopon Yesu Kristo and the asore na yekotena so dem hono.
Captain Smart, the king of morning
shows. It is on the $25 million no any 25 million Ghana cedis de koto o account mu a sika na nya aban dia biom na when sika na yedema producer Bobiam ko achi kakra na bo Ghana fonte sabrofo no.
But when the seed money was given, it was given to us, to our fund. So once the money was given, it was not the government that was controlling the money again.
Me that's it. Yebi. Brofo we echere say.
enu na ment yes and me do I don't take short and take madness
Eti enu na ma Ken Ofori Atta call. Parliament ebusa no Okudzeto busa no National Cathedral hosika no ose ano de oni hu asem ka cause o makọ hu meeting o mawie ose mo kobusa National Cathedral Board of Trustees say no Ken Ofori Atta moa enti enya aban ne control sa sika no biem what I say enti yembusa Ghana for yembusa ye ho say sa tokro na eda ho no enti $25 million and na chese books no ye clean na say nye clean
Razi my MPP biara onya ahobrase the tinapa ne mumbio.
Akwa we no ka Brazil. Tam ni nyanso.
Razi. My MP
say ya me no ka se mpacho. Wo kwa National Cathedral ho be etu tokuro na. $25 million plus 25 million Ghana cedis. And wo hwa na. Adwuma na wo ho no e correspond with sikana o mo agena na. As I said, Deloitte and your firm saying Deloitte and then Etouche. What we try and say, National Cathedral for call Israel kofa abo. Eba say wo de ba beye foundation stone na ebo no hoka. I say because yet say ebo no kro kwata mo Israel say wo toy. Bibini au. Au. Bibini. Wo toy abeba no. Enti abeba na wo toy no. Na ye say Pacho, abuba no ye de to hwan bag him. Our flight him. So for by na jitu the bag him. Emma ye carry ye hu say, oje bi kwatra plane ma, ye wewu bag, ne hu say o kilos no aboro so. Nti ebo no ye de to so for by bag him. And na ye package ye no nko a, na ye package ye no na ye airline be ya na airline ne je say. Books to buy na ye clean. Na Ghana for to ya jadi ye me hear the papa be send message can say you have to apologize. Rubbish. Producer. One year.
In July 2019, the cathedral was registered as a company limited by guarantee. So we do our things, but thank God that we have a procurement and technical committee.
May I say, pause it. It was registered as liability by guarantee. What it means is that National Cathedral and you bind there. JB Mwa. Ha! Me say me can be as a Ghana man penin there from Opokuina to the last person. By now, come on, you know, pay bill, woman. Nadia Kwake Noah Ark. Make a judge, the make a judge, a catch us on copy Noah's Ark document from a pay bill. And the Hamana, yes, Christo, ne papa de board and woman. Hamana, yes, ne papa, or the Biaconiano, or Moncopesa Hamana Mbras, woman, bill. And then we sit in this country, the idea say, yeah, Christopher, rubbish. Me mampenia me say ka from Opokuina to the last person on National Cathedral. When we for bail komunyai. But when him Ghana for ye nyatwom. I came to tell you say asophobia ko Mahama ho ko hunu na Mahama. Mahama say okra so say ye hu for ka ho. Say if you are not careful about the National Cathedral, we will turn the church against you. It's Mahama suru.
I will not elevate him to my level and go.
Mahama is afraid. Mahama, the church did not vote for you. Ghanaians voted for you. You got to be careful. Kwa Mahama. The church did not vote for you. Ghanaians voted for you. You got to be careful. Mankwa kwa tuaba sa Pentecost ni. JB and kwa baso Pentecost ni. Me kwa basa me Ghana ni.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.